Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome to Mobile WizTech. In today's video, I wanted to share with you what worked for me in getting my battery drainage issue resolved for my Samsung Galaxy Gear S3. Okay, so the first step is to run the Gear Wearable App. So let's go ahead and run that right now. Then you want to make sure that the watch faces tab is selected. So go ahead and tap watch faces at the bottom. And then the three dots on the upper right side. Go ahead and tap that. And then tap uninstall. Next, locate all of your animated watch faces, only the animated watch faces, and begin deleting them. So let's say this was one right here. Let's say this was one right here. So let's go ahead and tap on the red line and then tap delete. Once you complete that, tap the home tab on the bottom there. And then where it says RAM, go ahead and tap that. I've already cleaned mine, but it should tell you to clean now once it's done calculating. And then tap clean now. And then do the same for storage as well. Once you've completed that, scroll down. And then where it says account and backup, tap that. And then tap backup and restore, and then backup setting. Now, once it's done calculating, it should give you the option at the bottom to backup now. So you'll go ahead and tap backup now. And as you see there, it states backup now. So you would just tap backup now. And once you're done with that, you will head over to your Gear S3 and begin to device wipe or factory wipe your Gear S3, and I'll show you that right now. So now you're just going to go ahead and do a factory wipe on your Gear S3. So you will slide down your screen here and then tap on the gear icon, and then rotate your bezel until you see General, and then tap General. Then rotate it again until you see reset, and then tap reset. And then you'll just go ahead and hit that check mark. Now, once that's done, let your watch factory wipe. And then when it's restored to factory settings, just go ahead and go through the initial steps, get your watch set up. And eventually it will ask you to restore a backup. And just go ahead and okay that to restore the backup. So now that your watch has been restored, go ahead and head to your settings by sliding down your screen and tap on the gear icon. And then you're going to rotate your bezel again till you see battery. And then tap battery. And then rotate it again until you see optimized battery. Tap on optimized battery. And then it should tell you that your always on display will be turned off by choosing this or something like that. Go ahead and tap on OK. And that'll be it. I've already done so that's why I didn't say that same message for me, but it will say it for you. And once you're done, you can return back to your main watch face screen. Then the last thing you would do is just charge your watch full. And once it's full, do not charge it again until it dies, but monitor how long it takes before it dies. So hopefully you'll get at least a day and a half or 2 days or more. If you do, then go ahead and maybe enable your always on display screen if you had it on before. And then charge it full again. And then leave it off the charger until the battery dies once again. And monitor how long it takes before your battery dies again. And hopefully you'll get again at least a day and a half with that. If that works, you can go ahead and then start installing your animated watch faces, but do it one by one. So you will install one, charge your watch full, and then monitor that one again. Do not put on the charger until the battery dies. See if it drains. If it's not that animated watch face that did it, maybe try another one. And you can keep adding them. And each time you add it, charge it full, and then wait for the battery to die to see if there is a drainage. And that way you can kind of eliminate which watch face may be causing your battery drainage. But that's what worked for me, and hopefully it'll work for you as well. If you like this video, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.